The Vtuvia SF20 is a step-through folding fat tire e-bike, perfect for those looking for a golf e-bike solution. The assembly of the bike takes about 20 minutes, with all the parts, manuals, and tools included. The folding of the e-bike is actually quite simple, with two levers needed to be unhinged. First, on the frame of the bike, there's a simple lever to pull up and unlatch the folding center. Once you've done that, you can collapse the bike in half and unfold the stem at the top of the bike. This collapses the handlebars, allowing the bike to fold completely flat together. To set up the e-bike, you simply reverse this process by unfolding the bike, tilting up and locking the handlebar stem, and then latching the center frame for a secure connection.